Hey guys, I thought today we could do a get ready with me for James and I going to see the movies. So we are going to start off with Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Strawberry Gum to prep our lips for all of the makeup I'm about to pile on. Then I'm going to moisturize with the Blistex Lip Serum. And I'm so sorry, I'm focusing back and forth, so it looks a little glitchy, but I'm so sorry. Next, we are going to prime using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I love this primer. It is by far my favorite I've tried recently, and I use a lot of it. Sorry, not sorry. Next, we're going to prime our eyes with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. Yes. And I'm just going to blend it out using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. What is wrong with me? If you guys like this video while you're watching, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing another giveaway at 200 subscribers. We just got done doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, and this palette was included. This is the Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette, and I'm going to start off by using the shade Woke in my crease. I expected pigment, but not quite this much pigment, so my eye look came out very pink and strawberry. That's not really a problem, I guess. And I don't know why I turned my lighting down so low, but it gets fixed in a minute. Now I'm going to take the shade My Milkshake and just deepen the crease a little bit and blend this into my outer corner a little bit more. If you guys would like to check out more of my videos, I will have a few linked down below in the description box, as well as all the products I am using and the shades out of the palette I'm using. They will be listed down below. I don't know what is wrong with me. Also, my Instagram is always linked down below if you want to see sneak peeks of fun videos I have coming and just regular things happening in my life. So now we're going to go in with Shake It Up, and this is just a really pretty deep shade, and I'm just putting that on my outer corner and kind of cutting my crease with it. And right now I'm just cutting my crease out with the Colourpop concealer I use to prime. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Delish. It's just this really pretty light pink shimmery shade. I'm going to pack that onto my lid. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Whipped, which is just a deeper pink shimmery shade, and I'm going to put that on the outer edge of where I've cut my crease to kind of blend it back out. And I'm going back in with the shade Shake It Up and just making sure that's super blended. And now we're going to do my foundation really quickly. I'm just using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. My shade is F1. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is that you dip this doe foot applicator back and forth in and out. I don't know why it bothers me. We're going to use a beauty blender and blend it all out. Now we're going to take the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. Mine is in the shade 10NN. And I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting in the middle of my face and of course under my eyes. And I do add a little bit of the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in white with it, just to add a little more brightening effect. I use the pointed edge of my beauty blender to really get close under my eye, but without disturbing my eyeshadow I've just done. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Oaks on You contour stick. I got a little heavy-handed on my forehead and I didn't really pay attention, but I just use a Real Technique sculpting brush to blend all of this out. This is super creamy and blendable, so you have to be careful because I accidentally contoured my entire forehead, if you can't tell. Looks a little rough. I kind of fix it here in a minute. A little bit, maybe. And I'm also super sorry I was jamming out while I was getting ready. So now I'm just taking some of my Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder, and mine is in, I believe, Fair. It's the lightest shade, and I am setting my entire face. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 100 and just bronze up a little bit and kind of go light-handed, and I don't bronze up the sides of my nose. I'm trying to get into wearing blush, so we're going to take Tarte Amazonian Clay in Paaaarty. It's just a really pretty pink shade. And of course I'm going to highlight using Colourpop's Flexitarian. This has all of a sudden popped back into my life as a really, really nice highlighter. I love it so much. I apply it with my finger just because that's how I get the best result. I could have found a better way to say that. Now we're going to zoom through my brows pretty quickly. I'm just using the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in Auburn. Next, we're going to go in with Rimmel's Brow This Way in medium, and I'm just going to use the powder to pretty much fill in my eyebrow. I don't really completely fill them in with the pencil. I pretty much just do the outline. And after this, we are going to take the Ulta Brow Gel in Auburn as well, just to make them look a little bushier and more natural. And it's time for a wing. I'm going to use the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner pen in black. I have been cheating on my Physicians Formula eye booster for this, and I've really been liking it. It's super, super black, and it will cover up any shimmer or glitter you have on your eye. It's insane. I will say it is really kind of hard to get a precise point on your wing with it, but other than that, I really have been liking this eyeliner. And now I'm just taking an Essence black gel liner pencil and tightlining my upper lash line really quickly. Now we're going to work on my lower lash line, and I'm just going to take a mix of Woke, My Milkshake, and I want to say Daiquiri. I don't really remember. I just mixed some of the shades that I had on my lid down here and kind of blend them out really nicely. I totally did not use Daiquiri. I used Shake It Up, My Milkshake, and Woke. Now I'm going back in with Flexitarian to do my inner corner and under my brow highlight very, very quickly. And now we've got to do our lashes. I'm going to be layering the Essence The False Lashes Mascara with Maybelline Lash Sensational. I do Essence, Maybelline, and then top it off with Essence. And then on my lower lash line, I only use Maybelline Lash Sensational. Yes. Obviously, I'm not going to put on false lashes to go on a date in like reality. So now I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm using Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Diva. I was just really feeling all of the pink today. And that's super rare for me, so taking advantage. And now we're going to be setting our entire face down with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And don't worry, we're about to go kind of sort of fix my hair, but not really. I had to let you guys see me dance for a minute. So now we're in my master bathroom, and I'm just taking a microfiber towel. My hair has been setting in my turbo twist for about an hour, and I'm just kind of scrunching it up. I do have naturally curly hair, so this is what I do when I'm running late. I'm going to put a diffuser on my blow dryer, and I don't turn on my blow dryer until I already have my hair bunched up on my head. And I'm not drying it completely through, I'm just kind of speeding it up a little bit. It's definitely still wet. Now I'm going to take some Aussie hairspray and just spray and scrunch to control some frizz and get a little more definition in my curls. Lots and lots of hairspray apparently. And now we're going to go get dressed. Definitely nothing serious. I wanted to wear a leopard print cardigan over this black v-neck, but it was still super muggy. And I'm just wearing some distressed jeans from Torrid. Now we're just going to add my jewelry. I'm just going to wear a simple choker, my wedding set, and a little ring my mom and I have matching ones of. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!